Hi, my name is Elle. I competed at the WorldSkills UK National Finals at the NEC in Birmingham in November 2019 in Forensic Science. After 3 days of competing, I achieved highly commended, which means I am one of the best in the UK. So in college, I am currently studying Forensic Science, which is a level 3 BTEC course. We cover all aspects of science, which is obviously the physics, the chemistry and biology, but we also cover all the parts of forensic science. We do the fingerprinting, we recover footprints, and sometimes we even recover blood samples. Originally, I really wanted to study criminal law, but I thought by taking forensic science, I was able to combine the practical side of forensics and the court aspect as well, so I was covering both. So I got involved in the WorldSkills competitions by my lecturer, who kindly put me in for the heats along with many other students. Luckily, I came first and was able to go to the nationals in the NEC. When I found out I was going to be participating in the WorldSkills National Finals in Birmingham, I was over the moon, obviously. Being only 17 and a lot of the other competitors being much older than me, I wasn't expecting to achieve anything, so getting highly commended was great. And hopefully next year I'll be competing again. So next for me is most definitely uni. I think I'm going to be studying forensic science. So the forensic science course will last about 3 years, and after that I'd love to move on to medicine and eventually qualify as a forensic pathologist. I'd highly recommend this to other students. It looks great in your CV, it looks great on your university application. I know for myself, when I've been visiting universities, I've had a lot of information and help from other lecturers as well from different universities. And if anyone's interested in competing, I'd 100% say to go for it.